All right, well, we'll start off with the chapter 7a. To find out whether or not this is correct, remember what you have to do is you go up 3 half steps. I want to make sure everybody, you have your keyboards and your circle of, okay, never mind. Your circle of fifths out. So while I'm talking along, you should follow along with what I'm trying to do here. All right, so 3 half steps. 3 half steps from E flat. Yeah, okay, this is gonna take a while. 3 half steps up, going 1, 2, 3. That's G flat, right? G flat has how many flats? 6. Okay. So that's 6. So what's the 6 of them? Remember the pattern here? Oh, I'm gonna do this. So remember that's the flats. All right, and the sharps were this again. Depending on which phrase you want to use that you used last time. Okay, so we have 6 flats. All right, so we need to use 6 flats. So here's 6 flats, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. So what do we have here? We have the E flat, B flat. There's no A flat. So since there's no A flat, there has to be an A flat here. So answer is here is going to be 4. All right, number 2 is G natural. G natural minor. So you got to go up 3 half steps. 3 half steps from G is B flat. B flat has how many flats? 2. So that means it's 2. So you have to have B and E. All right, so you have a B and an E. That one's not right. We don't need that. So the answer is 2. Sorry. All right, melodic minor. Okay, we'll just figure out what the minor is first for F minor. F minor goes up 3 half steps to A flat. A flat has 4 flats. The 4 flats are these 4. All right, so let's do just the minor first. So you have a B, no E, but wait a second. I'll just kind of put that on top here. It's just doing this. And then an A, and then a D. Okay, so that's F minor, natural. So now you have to make it melodic. So what do you do with melodic? You have to raise the 6th and raise the 7th. So that means you have to raise the 6th and the 7th on the way up. So that one's raised. This one is not. This one's supposed to be natural. So the answer is supposed to be 6. All right, so B natural minor. Go up 3 half steps. So B minor goes up to, D minor has how many sharps? 2. So it's got 2 sharps. Sharps are going to be F and C. F, C. That's not right. So the answer is 6. Okay. Okay, let's do number 2. Let's put these on top again. All right. So we're looking for natural minor, F minor. Kind of already did this one in the last one, but still, let's see if you guys can figure that out. Go up 3 half steps. Okay. How many flats are there? Okay, where are the flats? All right. So which is supposed to be not here? Well, you have this. You have this. You have that. You have this. That's not supposed to be there. There you go. Okay, this one, I always forget this every single semester. This is supposed to be, somehow they messed it up. It's supposed to be on here. It's supposed to be on the E. So this is supposed to be E harmonic minor. All right, so E harmonic minor. Go up 3 half steps. Goes up to G. G has 1 sharp. All right, the F sharp is supposed to be the F sharp. All right, so chances are it's going to be answers number 2. Now, harmonic minor, remember you have to raise 7 for harmonic. So that's what that one is. So this is wrong. So it's supposed to be 2. This one's also the screw up, supposed to be C there. It's supposed to be C sharp melodic minor. And that one is rest up 2. Okay, so C sharp minor first. C sharp minor. Go up 3 half steps. Joins the E major. E major has 4 sharps. So let's go through this part. So we have 4 sharps. F, C, G, and D. But why do we have these 2? I don't know, let's put that there, question mark. All right. So, how you make a melodic minor? Melodic minor is supposed to be a raised 6th and a raised 7th. Okay, so here's your raised 6th. Here's your raised 7th. Okay, so those are fine. But on the descending scale, it's supposed to be natural minor. And that is supposed to be natural, because that's the 6th degree on the way down. All right, there's number 4. This is supposed to be a, I don't know why I did this whole thing messed up there, but anyways, A harmonic minor. All right, so harmonic minor, first of all, A minor, go up 3 half steps to C major. C major has no sharps or flats. All right, so that's natural minor. Harmonic minor, you have to raise the 7th. So we raise the 7th degree of the scale. That's not supposed to be there. So there's your 6th. Okay. If I'm going too fast, you can always pause the videos. All right. So 7C, E minor. Okay, so let's put these up here. Okay, go up 3 half steps. G major. G major has how many sharps? 1. The 1 sharp is supposed to be F sharp. So there it is. The key signature is G major. So here's the G major. All right. G minor. Let's put some notes here. G minor. We're up 3 half steps. It's B flat. B flat has how many flats? 2 flats. 2 flats are B and E. All right. Now we need harmonic minor. So harmonic minor, sharp to 7 or raised to 7. So what do? Take the 7th degree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Raise it. There we go. Key signature, of course, would be the B major. Okay. B minor. B minor, go up 3 half steps. Oh, let me put these down first. Let's do it this way. B minor, go up 3 half steps, makes D major. D major has how many sharps? 2. Sharps are F and C. F sharp, C sharp. There you go. Okay, last one. C minor, ascending and descending in melodic. Okay? Descending, remember, is natural minor. So we'll keep that in mind when you do this. Not really give enough space here to do this. Okay. C minor. Go up 3 half steps. All right. E flat major. E flat major has how many flats? 3 flats. 3 flats are B, E, and A. All right. So let's do it. Let's just put them down first. E. E, see B, B, A. Okay? All right, so melodic minor is raising the 6th and the 7th. So you're going to raise the 6th and the 7th. So these are going to be natural. Okay, D minor. Let's do it from here. Go up 3 half steps from D. F. F has how many flats? 1 flat. Okay, so we put the 1 flat there. And it's natural, so nothing gets affected. A minor. A minor, harmonic. Let's just do the minor first, natural minor first. A minor, go up 3 half steps to C. C has no sharps or flats. So it's going to be just now harmonic. You raise the seventh. Let's raise the seventh. And there's nothing in the key finish because it's C minor, C major, sorry. Okay, so that's 7D. I will see you in the, I guess, next homework review. And I will talk to you all later.